we have slime, and slime. It's basically the gift shop of slime.
Yeah.
And you guys probably remember us from the duck, but we haven't posted on that, so you gotta see that one.
Yeah, guys.
Not yet.
It's so
But you probably guys remember us from Mexico Candy, because that was us. If you haven't watched it, go type Mexico Candy on any type of product and go see that. Silly one. It's silly, mostly. Okay, you want guys see it? Well, here is
Mini slime.
the slime.
Mini slime. They're mini.
Yeah, and make sure to subscribe or like this YouTube channel. Right, please.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Give us 100 likes. We need likes. We didn't get likes.
Okay. And this is Lemmy's cooking area. It's scented. And comment down below which one's your favorite fruit or chocolate. And if you see this kind of bread over here, because I'm making peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter and jelly. Hey, where did Lenny go? Okay, so wondering why that you thought this was empty? I took it out because it's hard.
Don't drink this.
It's hard taking it out. This is easy. So, let's.
My mom was making us a peanut butter and jelly.
Let's make a peanut butter and jelly. And she, whatever what she's saying, well okay.
She's gonna lose. I'm gonna win.
Okay, let's the challenge begin. So, wait,
What am I gonna make?
So what the challenge is, I have to be making a perfect peanut butter jelly. And you gotta make a perfect peanut butter jelly too. But, either you have to use a big chunk, like the whole chunk, or you have to use like a tiny chunk, is what it is. So, like a tiny chunk or a big chunk of jelly.
I wanna be big.
Well, you can't, you only have to use this size. And some, okay, so rock, paper, scissors. Loser gets the small chunk, winner gets this. Actually, the loser has to pick the last one of the winner that picks. Actually, let's split it. So there's 3 choices. Let me make it perfect. This is the never-ending peanut butter. Okay, yeah. So the winner gets to pick
Me.
the perfect size for it. The large size or the mini.
I want the perfect size.
No, it's not the perfect size. We don't know yet.
But I want that one. You get that one now. Cammy gets that one.
He's not even playing. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Got you.
No!
I'm gonna take this.
No!
Ready? It's okay. Be shy. Ready? You have to do it.
Well, it's a lot.
The
next try.
She has to do that big of a sandwich. Well, this one is not playing.
Yeah.
Look how crazy she is. That looks like a big fat pancake.
There you go. Perfect size.
No. You have to use that.
Please subscribe.
No. You have to do that. That looks like a big poop. Will it come out of someone's? Will it come out of Lenny's butt?
No, stop it. That's me.
Hey, no. Everybody poops. Wait. No, wait. There's a leaf in the way. The perfect size. Yeah, we have to use all of it. This is not even the perfect size, but I'm using it.
Is it small?
Yeah. No, it's too big. I'm making like. Wait, I'm gonna make like a fun one. I know what to make.
I know what to make.
Okay, guys, we'll be back.
Don't tell her that I'm making what I'm making.
I'm making.
A what?
Nothing.
A poop?
No. Yeah, I might be making a poop. First, I need to size my brother. But I can't believe I said brother. It's supposed to be peanut butter. Don't listen. Let me run Instagram.
What? There's a leaf up there. I've touching the leaf. It's so pretty. Lottie, look at the leaf.
How?
Yeah, get away.
Oh, wait, stop.
I don't care about that leaf. That leaf! It makes me pretty.
What did you say?
What did you say?
Oh my gosh. Wait, I might die today.
I might die today.
Okay, let's stop.
Okay, then stop.
Wait, actually. Does this look like a great poop? No? Yes? No. I'm gonna try to make it perfect.
Perfect. We're supposed to make peanut butter and chili.
Time's running out. Oh yeah, we gotta hurry.
No.
What is that? What is that?
No.
It looks like a big patty.
Think it's this. The bread's
What is that?
It's a surprise. There's something in surprise. It's a piece of bread. A piece of bread.
Does every poop have tip? It probably does.
Poop? Everybody poop.
My peanut
Wash
butter.
your hands. Every poop doesn't wash their hands. You don't wash your hands.
Is there the person out there that poops and never wash their hands? You might be sick. Okay, how does my poop peanut butter looks? Poop.
Wait. You forgot this.
No, that's for the tiny one.
I'm definitely not using that.
Oh, I'm cutting my poop.
I wish I got the winner so I could get the best size.
Hurry up! We only have 1 more minute.
Well, I'm glad I got large. Since I have meatball.
Meatball. Meatball.
Thank you, Bonnie. That was very kind. No, she was mad at me. No, she was very kind. Okay, I'm done. There we go.
Okay, this is mine.
This is mine. Are we done?
All right, I made you a real peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Oh my gosh, Mom, thank you.
Right in front of us.
Hey, we still got to finish. Okay, well, winner gets to take the peanut butter jelly sandwich. Okay, next round. We need to make. We need. Okay, put it on the bread. Okay, so this is mine.
This is yours.
No.
This is mine.
Oh, okay. This is mine. This is my poop peanut butter. And let's see Lenny's.
There's a bread inside.
No, Lenny.
There's a bread inside.
You need the bread to show. Lenny, you need the bread to be shown.
No, I don't care. So this is mine.
Okay, this is hers. A big loaf of peanut butter with the bread inside. Would you like that? That seems rough. Because usually it's the bread on the outside and the peanut butter inside. Okay, so this is mine and this is Lenny's.
Poop is worse.
No.
Yeah, it's poop. You haven't put the jelly.
Okay.
It's just it's this big.
Okay, this is strawberry.
Strawberry.
Don't tell me who is strawberry. Then you get that extra piece. See? Oh, there's little beads.
Here's your king.
That was a book sheet. Wait, look, mine messed up so many times.
I already made it perfect.
Ow! Wait, smack this. Pretend it's a butt cheek. Ah! Oh, you're going. Yo! Ouch! That feels like Jackson's butt cheek. My cousin Jackson butt cheeks. Oh, some juiciness. Okay, so let me set up.
Nobody can see my arm. It's a leaf covering it.
Everybody get their breath. So this is the small.
I look like a one. No, I look like a large.
This is medium and this is large.
I went. The arm is large.
Okay, so we have medium jelly. Wait, no, this is small. We have medium jelly. Oh. And we have big jelly.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna put that.
It looks like jello. Okay. Ready? What paper says the shoe? 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 And I'm gonna go for the. You have to. I'm gonna go for the large.
No!
I'm gonna go for the small.
You can't change.
I know.
Why?
Because I'm already done. Look at my. Wait, no.
We're not done, Lottie.
I'm gonna make a tiny strawberry poo.
It just started.
Oh my god, there's little bubbles. Wait, no, 2 bubbles.
Nobody got the best. Everybody got the worst. Big and small.
I won it. Look at my jelly. Does that look a perfect jelly to be eaten? That tastes in my mouth.
I got it.
Anybody want to eat this?
There we go. That's hard.
Yoink.
Mm.
Yeah. Good.
Hello.
My poop and my jelly is done.
What is this? What's this? Mine's way better. That's good.
That's not. That's not real. That's not fake jelly, guys.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait, what?
I'm weird. Head thing. Got it. Do the good faces. Hey, man.
Wait, what?
What was you guys doing?
Nothing.
She looks very suspicious.
I did nothing.
We'll check on back that later. Okay. Leave. Never mind. Okay. Are you ready to see God's hour?
What?
Okay, ready to see our guys' jelly.
Gosh,
This is my Play-Doh jelly. And this is my poop. Oh my gosh, you landed. My poop.
Okay.
And this is. It's stuck. It was this. It's her poo. It
This
looks like
is
a
my
hat.
jelly. Now let's put them
So that was
together.
skate poop.
Let's put them together. Yeah. Wait.
No, don't put them together. It actually turns into jelly. Oh, this is.
And I do this. I'm a hat.
Okay. Next.
Now,
Now, guys, we're going to next video.
wait.
Okay.
Okay,
We're gonna go to next video.
I win.
No, we didn't.
Really?
We're going to go to the
Really?
next video.
Look at you.
Hold on.
Who's that?
Okay.
Yes.
So guys, we're going to shop at the slimes.
It's time.
So, Peppa's shop. Now our golden bars. We're shopping here at the perfect
Nobody
spot.
gives us that.
Hey, get your hands off of me. Shopping at the perfect spot. So, we'll surprise you. Hold on. Oh. Ah, wait! Get away. Ow. Hello. Okay, I should get some a smoothie.
Oh, not me. Ice cream.
I want some apple juice.
I want.
Wait! Hurry up. Well, I want some peanut butter and jelly
I'll get it.
slime.
I want. Let's see.
Rise, my. You got soap. She got some Gatorade, some sherbet, and some fruit.
No, this is not sherbet.
That's sherbet.
That's
It
nice.
says rainbow sherbet. I want some chocolate chips.
I want
Cookies.
some
Who doesn't love good cookies?
No. Okay, next.
No, I need some more.
I don't want pepper.
It's
I don't want
chunky. It's salsa
I
and
don't
it's.
want pepper. That's the worst flavor.
Ah! Okay, now we have to.
I went first.
Now we have to smell all the ingredients. Yep.
Smell it.
No.
Smell.
And now we have to eat it.
Wait. Okay.
Oh, that's okay. It tastes like cereal. It tastes like cereal. But I'm not a fan of it.
I don't like it.
Yeah, she just throws up on
No,
the
I
plate.
didn't.
Okay, so look, someone must do throw. Yeah, that's where she throws up.
No, I didn't throw.
That's the throw up stand.
That's you can't. Oh, I think that's okay. You can't see.
Okay, next. This is edible slime. Okay,
That was
next.
so bad. That one was so bad.
No, that one was bad. This one smells good.
What does this taste like? It's so good. I love it. This is so
This smells good. It tastes like chocolate. Eat it. Did you eat it?
Yeah.
No, I didn't. I just literally ate it.
Fine.
Okay, this tastes like chocolate chip cookies, but I'm not a big fan of it because there's no crunch.
Done.
I ate half of it.
I ate all of it. I'm gonna put the container back. I ate the whole thing. See, I ate
Peanut butter.
Gatorade.
All right, we're done. How long is this video? 20 minutes. Yeah, we're done. Yeah, we're done.
Ew.
All right, wrap it up.
No, it's 19.
I don't like this one.
This tastes so good. It's Gatorade. Yum. I only hate half of it.
Apple
because
juice.
It's Gatorade.
Mmm. Smells good.
Wait, who got? Oh, you got cherry. Ah! I found a prize.
Really? Whoa, that's cool.
Wait, it's right here. There's prizes.
I know. That one was the best one.
This
I
is
like chocolate chip and this one because it was good.
I love
This
it.
one was more apple-ish.
The ice cream is edible.
All right, we're wrapping it up, guys.
Oh, now strawberry smoothie. Mmm. Wait.
Let's.
I
Hey,
don't
what
like
is it?
that one.
Wait, what?
She just came out this one. No, we didn't.
Wait. No way. I need to put this away. Girl.
It's not yours, honey.
this is mine, that's yours.
Okay, guys, we didn't actually eat the slime, but I did actually put a couple in my mouth. For real. My tongue is like out of flavors right now. Woo! And let us know in the comments who loves slime.
Yeah, love slime is the best.
Just don't freak your parents out for
furniture.
No. Don't freak your parents out for some
Bugs.
what?
Oh, I broke my hand.
Look at my hand.
I broke my hand.
I
I broke my hand.
No, you didn't.